I have a question on the authorship. So when somebody joins your program and you, I believe, majority of your authorship, uh, like how do you prove the authorship side of things is by publishing papers, from what I understood so far.
Mhm.
Uh, so should that, how much of that publishing papers should be in collaboration with the work that we are doing with employers, and can it be like not related to what we're working in the company and just be independent on the field that we are focusing on?
Well, most of the time it is not related exactly to the work done at the employers, basically the regular work done. Because, of course, employers have their own confidentiality, which you need to
Right.
respect. And most people don't end up publishing things that are like directly, an indication of whatever is going on in the employer's place or whatever they are doing for their employer. However, it can be like slightly broadly in the field. It can be applicable maybe in an alternate field, or in the same field but with an alternate application or something like that. It can probably be about things that they have worked in the past on, but are kind of a little more common knowledge now rather than proprietary. It depends, right? See, some employers, the confidentiality comes, it's not black and white, it comes in layers. So sometimes it's just let's say you're working maybe in whatever, right, consulting or wherever, and then you're working with a bunch of clients, and sometimes the confidential part is just the name of the client. They are not able to disclose who the client is, but other than that, pretty much everything is common knowledge, so it's fair game. Sometimes the thing that you're talking about itself, like the proprietary, maybe the technology itself is proprietary. In that case, you need to respect that layer of confidentiality. So it depends on exactly what kind of engagement is going on. But yeah,